Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So we're going to use Nail Reserve today. We're going to use Bronze Me Baby and Cherry Blossom. So we're going to do like a yellow summery set. I haven't got many polishes from Nail Reserve, so I'm trying to use them kind of like in sets where I can. So yeah, hopefully you like this one. I thought it was very pretty, very summery. So I will apply the first coat with you guys and the second coat off camera. I do have a discount code for Nail Reserve as well. It's for 50% off. You have to buy a minimum of 2 gel polishes, which is a bargain, or you can sign up for the VIP program, which is very, very good. So make sure you head over and check it out. So as I was saying, I will apply the first coat with you guys and then the second coat off camera. I'm curing them for 60 seconds in my LED light. I am going to ombre this one, so I'm going to use my Madame Glam ombre brush and I'm just going to blend them together. Just going to use my ombre brush, as I was saying, from Madame Glam, and I'll just blend them together. I'll keep blending and blending until I'm happy. Then I'll leave it to sit just for a few seconds, and then I will put that in the light and I will apply a second coat as well. These look really, really nice together. Very sort of summery, very, very pretty. So this is what we've got so far. So I'm going to go in with a glitter from Charlie's Nail Art. This is called Iridescent Yellow, and these are hexagons. She has got a range of different colours in this glitter collection as well. So I do have a discount code as well for Charlie's, so don't forget to head over and check that out as well. You can pick up glitters, foils, charms, gems, all sorts of goodies, and she does ship worldwide as well. So I'm just gonna use just a brush. I've applied a layer of base coat, just a thin layer of base coat, and I'm just gonna dot these around on the nails. No particular place, I just wanted like a scattering of them, so I will put them in different places on a few of the nails. So on this one, I just want them just down the sides. So I'll put a little bit of base coat down each side, and I'm just gonna dot these just on the sort of like as if you're doing a French, but with the glitter. I thought it looked really, really pretty. And then on the next one, I will just do a strip right the way down the middle. So this is the one we're going to do this strip right down the middle. So because we haven't cured the base coat, I'm still able to move it around. I just want to get it as flat as I can, because the more bumpy it is, obviously, the more it's going to be raised on the nail. So yeah, I'm trying to sort of like spread it out as even as I can get it. So this is this one almost done, and then I'll pop that in the lamp and give it a 60-second cure. I will get in with a base coat later on. I'm going to use my Makartt nail foil glue. As you know, this is one of my favourite foil glues. I'm going to cover this whole nail in the foil glue. I think I do, yeah. So, right, so I'm going in with the base coat now. I've done it a little bit back to front. So I'm going with the base coat and I'm just applying just a thin layer just over the top, just to make it a bit more even. And then I will cure that. So this is the foil I'm going to use today. It's really, really pretty. Very pretty and summery. I thought it was very, very nice. So as I said, I'm going to put foil on 3 of the nails. So this one's going to have it all over the nail. The other one with the strip down the middle has it on one side of the glitter. And then the last remaining nail will have it on that nail as well. So you just want to place it on and then just rub, 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 rub. Use your finger or whatever you want to use. I prefer to use my finger because then I can feel. But yeah, you do it whichever way that you want to do it. So on the last pink nail, I'm just going to add like a glitter fade basically with the glitter. I was a bit unsure what I wanted to do on this one, so I just stuck with just putting some glitter on. I just did like a glitter fade just to tie it in with the rest of the nails, and it looks really, really pretty. These will be matte, but it looks really, really pretty matte. I don't think the camera does it enough justice. In person it is so pretty, really, really pretty. And with the matte top coat over the glitter, it kind of just really adds like depth to it. It's so pretty. So on this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this top bit in. That's why I left this top bit like this. And I'm just going to do like almost like a glitter cuff, just with some of this iridescent glitter, and just put it just around where your cuticle would be, just because I wanted to obviously incorporate it on this nail as well. So yeah, it looks really, really pretty, really pretty. You definitely have to check out the website because she has these in an array of different colours and they're really, really nice. I'm sure you're going to be seeing a lot of the iridescent ones going into the summer now. So yeah, they're really, really pretty. Definitely worth checking out. Very, very good. So I'm just going to show you the rest of the nails that I'm going to put the foil on. So as I said, I'm going to go down the side of here. I didn't want to get it over like the actual glitter. So yeah, I have wiped the tackle out off as well, as you can see, because one side looks a bit more matte. So yeah, that's just so I could sort of like, you know, if I did go over that side with the foil, it wouldn't really matter because it wouldn't be able to stick. So I'm just going to rub, 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 and yeah, once I'm happy, I'll remove the foil. So this is the last one to have a foil, and then I will top coat all of the nails, and then I will show you just a sort of like it's like a cluster that I've made up. You will see I got the flowers off of Shein a while ago. I can't remember where I got the gems from. I can't remember. But you will see it in a second. So as I said, this is going to be like the cluster on this nail. Just thought I would do something a little bit different. So I'm going to go in with my rhinestone glue, and I'm just going to put like a small amount on there. And then I will start adding the flowers and the gems. I just thought I would make up my own little cluster. And I thought that these flowers, the colours that are in these flowers went very well with the foil as well. You have to let me know what you think, but I think they went really well. I didn't put any caviar beads or anything in the middle because I thought it would stand out too much if I put gold caviar beads in here or silver. I just thought it would take it away from, like, as you can see they're like iridescent, and I just thought it would take it away. So yeah, I'm just gonna squeeze in some of these yellow gems as well, and then yep, then I will top coat all of the nails, and then you will see my end screen. So as I said, I do have discount codes down in the description box as well. I will have everything listed right at the bottom of what I've used today. So yeah, you'll have to let me know what you think. I am going to use the nails matte top coat today, just because I haven't got a matte top coat from Nail Reserve. So yeah, you'll have to let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. And yeah, just let me know any thoughts you have. Well, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, hopefully you subscribe. And yeah, take care. And I'll see you next one. Till then, take care. Bye.